Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Welcome to my soap lab. I have orders to pack for some soap orders, and also I have some Poshmark orders, so I'm just gonna take y'all on that and tell you a little bit of a story here. But first, this is one of the soaps that I did. It was supposed to be a wholesale soap, and once I cut it, I realized it's not the design I was looking for my wholesale customer, but it's perfect for put in my soap shop, and I'm gonna call it Sierra Sunrise. So these are all natural colors, guys. It's cocoa, and then I used yellow clay, yellow and rose clay, indigo powder, blue clay, green clay. I think that's everything. I might have used a little charcoal in the brown, but all natural colors, and I put some botanicals on top. It thickened up so fast on me, but I really think it looks like a sunrise. It was supposed to be a sunrise, but it doesn't fit their themed sunrise, so I'm going to do another soap for them. I also did another beach soap. I didn't do the sky and I just did the sand and the water, and then I did, mine is called Beach Bum, theirs is called Virginia's for beach lovers, because it's the Virginia store downtown, and theirs has seashells on it. You can see the waves here, and again the sand and the water, so it's kind of like underwater view, not the water and sky view like I do sometimes. But yeah, so I'm really excited. I think I'm completely out. No, I have one more mango body butter left, but I'm completely out of body butters. I have a few more sugar scrubs left, so I need to start making those, which is really, I just absolutely love, because I'm looking at all the states from my soap orders to my Poshmark orders, the states that, like, where these are being sent to. I don't know, that just is like, I'm in my own home, you know, on the farm here in Virginia, and I get to send out gifts, I feel like, you know, to people all over, which is really exciting. So first we're gonna do an order. This was a farm pickup, but she's like, I can't get out there. So she sent me money for shipping. And actually there is this month, if you type in ship-free in the code, you can get free shipping, even if you just buy one bar. I'm doing a special because I know people like, I really want to try her soap or her products, but you know, buying a bar and then paying whatever you have to pay. I get discount because I do it through Shopify. You know, buying that, it's like, gosh, I'm really paying a lot for a bar. So this gives you an opportunity to try it, try a product, see if you like it, and it's free shipping, so you got it. Okay, so I've got my box here, and I'm going to put, I love this stuff. This is called honeycomb paper, and it just stretches. And I'm gonna put it just along the bottom like that. And then I'm gonna put, she got a Pink Hippie. I'm completely out. I think I'm completely out of Pink Hippie body butter. This is Lang Lang Geranium and Patchouli. It's a really, I hope that focused. And then I have the, she got the lime coconut cream. And I'm just putting them in there like that for now, and then I'll see how they all fit. I need my other boxes. This is it's a little big for what she ordered. Now this still has my old label on it. This is the Steadfast Trail Farm, and you can go back and watch a video why I had to change the name. It's the Pink Hippie Co. now, but this is the coffee scrub. I love this. It actually has the scrub of the coffee in there. And then I've got her a couple samples to put in there for her. And so I have it sitting in there like that. And then once, I might take just a little bit more of the crinkle paper. It comes like this. I'll put all this stuff below what I get. Typically it's Amazon. Very nice to be able to order stuff on there, and so isn't that cool? So I'll just fold it and put it down in here just to give it some cushion. And then I'll close this up with my sticker. Thank you, Stacy, by the way, for your order. I'm glad we could ship it out and you don't have to worry about coming. That's basically what I do. Okay, I've been packing actually shampoo bars most of the week because I think people are watching the shampoo bar video. Okay, there, finally got it closed. Because I'm getting these orders of one shampoo bar. And this one is going, okay, this shampoo bar is actually going to Woodbridge, so just about an hour away from where we are. And I've got these smaller boxes here. And again, this one is kind of a little too big for that, but I'm gonna put a sample in there as well, which will help fit everything in there. So yeah, this is going to Woodbridge, and I've just double checked my packing slip, and I'm gonna write a little note on here. I'm trying really hard to stay organized and keep everything close to me. But anyway, so I think people are watching shampoo bar making video and ordering shampoo bars, because it just happened to be like that went up in watches, and likes, and then I started getting these orders. Just one shampoo bar, one shampoo bar, one shampoo bar, if it's correlating between the two or not. But all right, so I'm gonna put that in there, and actually I'm gonna cover up her dress, but put that in there like that. And I'm gonna reach, I have a sample bag here of samples. I'm gonna pick, see, I pre-wrapped them so they're ready to roll. She ordered a shampoo bar, so I'm going to actually put in, and I gotta get a label for it. I'm gonna actually put in a salt face bar, a Himalayan salt face bar. So let me get a label for that. I printed the labels. I need to print them anyway because I have probably about 25 of these to label. So we'll need more. So this is my label, and I'm just gonna stick it right on this little sample bar here. This is biodegradable shrink wrap. I mentioned that in one of my videos, or maybe several of my videos, but yeah, I use the National Shrink Wrap System. And there we go, there's her sample. Put that in there. I put a little thank you on there, and I'm gonna put one of my cards in there. So this is one of my Pink Hippie cards. Just fold that up like that, and I'm gonna put my stickers. I got these stickers off of Amazon 2 years ago. I don't see an end in sight. There's so many on there. I do have a stamp, that's the Pink Hippie. I got it from, I ordered it, I'm trying to remember where I ordered it from. It's horrible. I have to literally use all my might to try to get it to indent correctly. So I'm gonna order another one someplace else. All right, so now, put this on my box. My little label printer is huge. I'll list that below as well. It has helped so much. And I just ordered, that's loud. I just ordered a two-sided tape. Like, I'll have the big tape on one side and the little tape on the other side. All right, that's ready to roll. Thank you, Yvette. Yvette from Woodbridge, Virginia. Thank you very much. Let me know if you got it from watching the video or maybe word of mouth. All right, so this next one's for Jen in Michigan. I watched them on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna use this again. I'm gonna put this down. This is a big box that she ordered. Oh, I hope all these fit in here. Okay, so she ordered a big box. I mean, she ordered a lot of body butters and sugar scrub. So I got a watermelon sugar scrub. And this is true sugar scrub. It's no, I don't add any water to my body butters or any water to my sugar scrub. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, so 2 calms. This is the calm. 2 watermelon sugar scrubs and a mango body butter. Okay, yes, that looks good. Include a thank you note. I hope she enjoys the sugar scrubs. It's the first time she's trying my sugar scrub, I believe. All right, so I've got it in there. Let me show y'all. Jen, this is coming to you, and excited. Thank you so much. All right, so I got those. Now we're gonna move on to, I'm gonna move y'all a little bit. We'll move over to my Poshmark orders. I've already packed up one. I print, for Poshmark, I print, and I'll leave my closet below if y'all are interested. It's like hippie stuff. I go to the Ben's in different places. We do Thrifting Thursday. Weston and I do Thrifting Thursday. So I get 2 printouts. So the one that's behind this one, this tells me what they ordered, and then this is their shipping. So if I keep this together, it keeps me straight. 'Cause otherwise I'll be like, ah. So this goes with this. Now I don't have any priority bags. So this one is like really small. I think what I'll do is hold off. I'm going to go ahead and stick this sticker on the package. So like, this is what they ordered, and I know that, and this goes with that. So when I go to the mail, USPS, which is literally 3 miles down the road from our farm, I'll get the bags, put it in, put the label on. All right, so let's get these Poshmark orders done, which is exciting. All right, so to tell you all a story, I have to tell you, I have a really hard time since we've gotten this farm. We've been here 6 years. You know, it was a prayer for 10 years, and y'all can go back and see the video I just put up this past week on our barn tour and a little bit of our story. And it was a huge answer to prayer. And I think over the years I've really had a hard time asking for more. Like, I don't know. Do y'all understand what I mean? Like, you feel just beyond blessed to have something answered, then it should make you even more to ask God for, you know, all the stuff that you need. But anyway, so this is 100% linen. So, and this is going to, where is this going to? So this bathing suit cover is going to Amanda in Illinois. Yay, that's so exciting. And then this 100% linen is going to, it feels so nice, is going to Julie in Colorado. Excited. So let's wrap this. I'll take y'all over here. So anyway, our spreader broke, and that's the thing you need to be able to get rid of the poo on your farm, which when you have, you know, 13 horses, you really need that. And it finally broke. It was donated 6 years ago. Yeah, so it finally broke, and we really needed one. Now, on the other side of the story, we haven't had our pool for about 3 years now. And so we haven't been able to utilize it. The liner tore. When it came down to it that we needed a spreader, well, that was going to mean that we would have to personally pay for a $4,000 spreader, which means no pool this year. And so I just put a thing out on Facebook. Hey, this is what we're dealing with right now. Does anybody have a spreader or know of someone who's got a spreader that we can either purchase or you know, someone can donate, because we're a nonprofit. Our farm's a nonprofit. Put this over here. Okay, that one goes with that one. Would you believe it? We ended up, and I'll show you all a video here, with the perfect spreader. Like, I prayed, I felt a little guilty. I will tell you, I felt a little guilty, like, Lord, we won't have our pool again this year. Like, it's been 3 years and it's an eyesore. Literally looking out of my window when I'm washing dishes is the pool that looks like it's from an abandoned house. Isn't this pretty? So this is a kimono. Oh, so pretty. Isn't this gorgeous? I love picking these up at the thrift store when I'm at the Ben's, or, oh, isn't that just gorgeous? So let me see if I can fold this decently. Anyway, just really, I mean, we still have one child left at home, and I really would have liked, you know, I really want him to have the opportunity. He's a hard worker. He works hard up on the farm, and it would be nice to be able to come in and, you know, be able to get in the pool. Anyway, I thought it was going to have to be one or the other. We're either going to get our pool fixed or we're going to get a new spreader. And once again, God's like, why can't it be both? I was like, oh my gosh, I am not folding that very nicely. Presentation is everything. All right, let me fold it one more time. And so, yes, that spreader that we got is absolutely perfect. He literally took it off of the truck, off the trailer, and was able to use it right away because we were piling up with horse poop. I was really amazed and thankful about that. And it's just a reminder that God does desire for us to ask. You know, we're doing work. And I say we as in all of us, you know, if you want to do the work of ministry, whatever that needs, and he wants to equip you with that. And did I say this is going to Washington, Seattle, Washington? Yay. So I'm going to put this on the other side. That way it keeps me on track. It has the order number, and it has the order number on here. So that keeps me in track of where we know. I need to put the sticker on. There you go. And these are the boxes. If I had... I'm not going to put, well, should I put it in this box? That's really overkill, isn't it? I won't put it in that box. So these are for bigger orders. I can put them in these bigger boxes. All right, so yeah, Seattle, Washington, that's going to that. So yeah, I think all in all, look at all this, all these orders. I think all in all, you know, God gives us the desires of our hearts to do certain things, like he's created us in a way that things that bring us joy, and he wants to equip us. So I guess I'm telling you what I've been telling myself this week after we had that huge blessing of that spreader, is that ask, and you have not because you ask not. And that's something that's been going over in my head. And I'm not talking about God being a genie. We are called to work hard and to labor and needing those things, whether, you know, homesteading or family, the needs that we have, he desires. He's a loving father. To know how much he loves us and how much grace and what he's done through his son, Jesus Christ, he desires to bless us with those things we need to do the work that we've been called to do. So don't be afraid to ask. Thanks for coming along and packing with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, a little different, sharing things life on the farm. What joy this brings me to be able to send these across the United States. Let me know below what you are praying for, what you're like, oh, I should be praying for this. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Be blessed. Till next time. Bye, guys.